Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to create an Amazon UPI ID. At first you need to open Amazon application in your Android phone or in your smartphone. After launching the application, you need to tap on three horizontal bars which is located extremely top left corner of the screen. Say this is the three horizontal bars. Now tap on, and now you will see various options, and here you need to tap on Amazon Pay options. This is the Amazon Pay. See, you will see here Amazon Pay balance, that is 00, and in the right side you will see Amazon Pay UPI get started. Now you need to create Amazon Pay UPI ID. You need to tap on get started button. And then you need to tap on proceed button. Yeah, Amazon Pay verifying your mobile number. You just need to select your desired SIM that is linked with your bank account, and then you need to tap on proceed button. Resend SMS. I am getting error. And now you need to select your bank. In my case it is State Bank of India. So friends, I already in earlier I have created an UPI ID, so that's why I do not need to enter my bank account details. By default it comes, and here you need to enter the last 6 digit of the debit card option. Enter last 6 digit of your debit card number. And then you need to select your validity, that means valid up to month, and then year, and then you need to tap on set your pin, set your UPI pin. Just tap on set your UPI pin. An OTP will, you will receive an OTP from the bank, and then Amazon will verify it. It takes sometimes depending on your network. And now you need to set UPI pin. And then after entering UPI pin or creating UPI pin, you need to tap on OK button, and then again you need to confirm your UPI pin, and then again you need to tap on OK button. UPI pin has been set for your bank account, and then you need to just tap on continue shopping. So friends, in this way you can create a UPI pin or UPI ID for Amazon Pay. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.